I'm a snake. I'm a little sneaky snake. Really got it. Catch me a mouse.
Give me this one. There's a hard balloon.
I'm a snake. I'm
Ryan.
Whoa, this stuff is crazy. Hey guys. Hey. Stop it, Hunter. That's not fun. That's not funny. Stop. Hey guys. This stuff is so fun. What's up, guys?
Ryan. How do it work for me?
Mine works fine. Hey guys.
Oh my god. I'm sucking up all of you.
This is crazy. Stop it.
How'd you untangle?
No, don't do it. This is for grown-ups. It'll hurt you. Ryan. Hey, dude. Oh my god.
Stop it, Ben. Stop. You're crazy. I'm a snake.
I'm gonna suck all the ceiling right here. You're crazy. Here's a move. Alright, stop it. Please, Wyatt. You can't like butt.
That's about that.
My head landed.
Hey guys.
Ryan.
My name is Fred. My name is Fred. Stop it, guys. Stop.
Your sister's hot.
Hey guys. What's your name?
Oh my god.
Hey, Ben.
No, I got a good one. I got a good one.
Ben. Sitting on the toilet.
Oh no! I want to get up there again.
Now, Charlie. Charlie, stop it. I will never say never. Baby, baby, baby.
What was that?
It was Kayla. Kayla, I love you. Kayla.
I want to know how y'all get it on.
Get off what? Dang, bro. What we doing, alright?
Turning red.
Okay, now, what else going on? You're all baby stuff. You can suck up too much.
So you just put a whole see the rest of them.
Yeah, but don't do like, here. I'll show you how to do it.
Yeah.
Holy wow.
Yeah.
You like stretch it out. You gotta put a little tiny hole.
Hey, Ryan. Hey, what's up?
Don't bite it too much. Only ball. I'm never gonna be able to put this